I'm gonna show you the easiest brisket recipe that I know. I buy 3 to 4 pound, as big as I can fit into my largest Dutch oven. And I ask my butcher to trim it nice and clean and lean for me. I brown it with salt and pepper. The recipe starts by taking a couple of really large onions, 3 or 4 like good softball-sized onions. I add thyme and bay to the onions and let them cook low and slow until they're sugary sweet and caramel in color. I'm gonna turn the meat off. When you're browning it, don't forget the sides. Brown all of the brisket, and then we're going to add some Worcestershire, either a bouillon cube or a single-use container of demi-glace. I keep these in the fridge at all times. They come in little single-serve, 1 spoonfuls. You could get them right online, and I just keep them on hand. I put a little white pepper, not black pepper, into the onions and the thyme and the bay. I add 1 quart of stock to the beef. Then right up on top of the beef, I add all the caramelized onion. Put a lid on it, cook it low and slow in the oven, 300, you get away with 325. And it will take about 3 to 4 hours, depending on the thickness of your brisket. Do not pull it out until it's fork tender. And when you wiggle it with a fork, it feels like it's very giving. This is brisket the first night, right? Just sliced brisket with the caramelized onions and some of those beautiful drippings right down through the middle with some simple carrots, parsnips, whatever vegetables you like on the side.